Welcome to Sheboygan Chevrolet Chrysler Center. Today's special is a Chrysler Group certified 2019 Jeep Compass Trailhawk 4-wheel drive, stock number E2039P. 11,000 miles, and this Trailhawk comes to us with a clean auto check history report. Granite crystal metallic in color. To be Chrysler Group certified, the vehicle goes through a very strict 125-point inspection, giving you the balance of a 3-year, 36,000-mile bumper-to-bumper and a 7-year, 100,000-mile powertrain warranty. You also receive an additional 3-month, 3,000-mile maximum care coverage with 24-hour roadside assistance and car rental allowance. Seats 5. Split seat back folds down to accommodate longer cargo items. Backup camera, along with rear parking sensors. And power liftgate for convenience. Lots of cargo space in the rear. And very clean, no dents or dings in the body. This Trailhawk has keyless entry with remote start, power windows, locks, mirrors. Push button start. Read gauges with driver information system, controlled by buttons on the steering wheel, cruise control, large 8.4-inch touchscreen infotainment system for radio. It's also satellite radio capable. You can connect various media devices, heated seats as well as heated steering wheel, along with dual zone automatic temperature control, navigation, Bluetooth connectivity for hands-free phone use or to connect other Bluetooth-enabled devices. Great for wireless music streaming. And there's, of course, where the backup camera display is. Hard keys below for the things you use most often. USB and auxiliary input allows you to connect those media devices. 4-wheel drive, giving you the greatest capability no matter what the surface. Also includes 4-low. Automatic transmission with manual shift capability. Storage in the armrest. And a large glove box with all the owner's materials inside. Under the hood, this Compass has a 2.4-liter 4-cylinder, 180 horsepower. And just as clean under the hood as the rest of the vehicle. EPA fuel economy estimates an average of 22 miles to the gallon in the city, average of 30 on the highway, and approximately 50% of tire tread left. Don't forget about that Chrysler Group certification, protecting your investment. For more information, please go to Sheboygan Auto.
Choose Sheboygan Auto. We're conveniently located at 3400 South Business Drive or at 2701 Washington Avenue in Sheboygan, Wisconsin. SheboyganAutos.com.